6 students. Today in this chapter plants form and function we will discuss about shoot system. In this topic we will discuss what is stain, what is shoot, what is its role and what it is, why it is modified in some plants. First you will see what is stain. In shoot system first you will see what is stain. Stem is that part of the plant which grows above the soil and bears leaves, buds, branches, etc. Flowers, fruits, etc. That means the part of the plant which grows above the soil and bears fruits, flowers, buds, branches, etc. is known as stem. Now, types of stem. In some plants you will find soft stem and in some plants you will find woody stem. That means on this structure, on this function, it will be broadly divided in two parts. First one is soft stem and second one is woody stem. In which plant it is soft? It is soft in lily, marigold, etc. Whereas in which plants it is woody, it is in neem, pine, etc. Now we will discuss division of stem. When you will see division of stem, you will find division of stem. You will find it can broadly be divided in nodes, internodes, etc. Nodes, internodes, etc. What is nodes? What is internodes? The position in stem which bears buds, flowers, etc. is known as node, whereas the space between two nodes is called internode. As you can see in the diagram, suppose that this is a plant. Here, this one is the aerial part which is called stem. And in this stem, you can see such type of branches. And in these branches bears leaves, flowers, buds. The position from where it arises, it is known as nodes. And the space, this one is also known as node. And the space between two nodes is known as internode. The space between two nodes is known as internodes. Now come to the shoot. Shoot is that part of the stem which is aerial. That means shoot, stem with leaves and other aerial parts is called shoot. Now its definition can be written as stem with its aerial parts known as shoot. Now we will discuss about function of stem. Stem in the life of plant is very important. As you can see here, which function it performs in the body of plant. First one, it keeps plant upright. As you know, only and only root of the plant is below the soil, but stem and shoot, leaves or other aerial parts are above the soil, and plants are upright in position. Why? Due to the stem, because stem plays main role when it is woody, when it is strong, the size of plant will also be taller. Now come to the second function. It gives out branches and bears leaves birds, flowers and fruit. These items are also useful for us. Now come to the third function. It holds the leaf in such a way that leaves can gain ample of solar energy for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is also an important role in plant because it synthesizes food by photosynthesis. Now come to the next function. For photosynthesis, water and minerals are essential, and these water and minerals are sent from root to the leaves through the stem, and it transfers water and mineral from roots to stem. Food which is synthesized in plants during photosynthesis, it is also transferred, it is also carried to other parts through stem. Now it is clear that stem plays main role in the life of plants. Now in some plant you will find plants, its stems are modified for performing a specific function, and there it is called modification of root. Now we will discuss modification of roots.